If you want to install plugins in Figma, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to find a plugin, save it to your account, and run it inside your design file so you can work smarter and speed up your workflow. Whether you're brand new to Figma or just haven't used plugins before, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open a file in Figma. You can do this in the Figma desktop app or directly in your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're working in a brand new file or an existing design project because plugins can be added from inside any open file. Once your file is open, look at the bottom toolbar. In the bottom area of the interface, you'll see the Actions icon. Click that icon to open the available Actions menu. This is where Figma keeps a lot of helpful tools, including the plugin options. After the menu opens, click on Plugins. This will take you to the plugin section where you can browse, search, and manage plugins for your account. Now you'll see a search bar. Use this search bar to find the specific plugin you want to install. You can type the plugin name directly if you already know it, or search by a keyword if you're still exploring your options. This is really useful when you want to find a tool that helps with design, automation, content generation, or layout cleanup. When the plugin appears in the search results, click on it to open its details page. Take a quick look at the plugin information so you know you've selected the right one. Once you're sure, click the Save button. Saving the plugin adds it to your personal list so you can access it again later without having to search for it every single time. That's an important part of the process because in Figma, saving a plugin is basically how you install it for future use. You're not just viewing it, you're adding it to your saved plugins list. Now that the plugin is saved, let's run it. To do that, go back to your canvas and right-click anywhere inside the design file. A menu will appear. Hover over Plugins and then look under Saved Plugins. You should see the plugin you just saved listed there. Click the plugin's name and Figma will launch it right inside your file. From there, you can start using the plugin's features based on what it was built to do. Some plugins help with generating content, some help with organizing layers, and others can speed up repetitive design tasks. If the plugin doesn't show up right away, just make sure you saved it properly and that you're still inside an open Figma file. In most cases, once it's saved, it should be easy to find under saved plugins whenever you need it, and that's it. You've now learned how to install plugins in Figma, save them to your account, and run them from your canvas whenever you need them. Once you get comfortable with this process, you'll be able to build a much faster and more efficient workflow in Figma. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Figma tips, design workflows, and easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.